Bismillahirrahmanirrahim from Supreme Education School System. This is your teacher for class 4. Students, in previous lecture we have learned unit number 3. We have done the reading and translation. In this lecture we are going to do the book work of unit number 3. So our today's topic is unit number 3, weighing an elephant, book work. Students, our first question is comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the same as those in the table. We have given some words here. We have to choose which are the same to the table. The words are longer, unfortunate, speedily, softly, huge, unselfish, dreadful, superb, kind, fiercely. First word is fantastic. Its near same meaning is superb. So now we will move on. Awful, dreadful, unlucky, unfortunate, caring, unselfish, generous, kind, massive, huge, quickly, speedily, further, longer, gently, softly, viciously, fiercely. Students, we will move to our next question, that is vocabulary. Ring the odd one out in each list. हर लिस्ट में कुछ वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं जो किसी न किसी लिहाज से एक दूसरे से रेलिवेंट हैं, मगर उनमें एक वर्ड ऐसा होगा जो रेलिवेंट नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट वर्ड. फर्स्ट इज़ डन फॉर अस. डॉल्फिन, वेल, डोंकी, शार्क, ट्यूना एंड सैल्मन. ये सब सी मैमल्स हैं, लेकिन इनमें डोंकी जो है वो सबसे डिफरेंट है. तो वी हैव इन सर्कल डोंकी. आवर सेकंड लाइन इज़ ग्रास, डोर, फ्लोर, विंडो, सीलिंग, शेल्फ. In this line, everything is relevant according to the room. हर चीज़ जो है वो रूम से ताल्लुक़ रखती है, बट ग्रास इज़ डिफरेंट, सो वी विल एनसर्कल ग्रास. सैडल, बाईसाइकिल, हैंडल बार्स, सॉसपैन, व्हील, टायर. हर चीज़ रेलिवेंट है बाईसाइकिल के साथ सिवाय सॉसपैन के. वी विल एनसर्कल सॉसपैन. फीदर्स, विंग्स, बीक, नेस्ट, टेल, हेड. In this line, we will encircle nest. Dog, tail, cow, donkey, horse, goat. In this line, we will encircle tail. Cabbage, carrot, chocolate, broccoli, tomato, peas. Chocolate. Mice, raisins, milk, sugar, butter, flour. सब ingredients हैं. Mice different है. We will encircle mice. Wave, water, tide, bun, sail, boat. All the words are related to water. Bun is different, so we will encircle bun. Students, we will move to our next question, that is word structure. Write words that end with the same letters. हमें वो words लिखने हैं जो letters हमें दिए गए हैं, हमारे word के end पर वही letters आने चाहिए. जैसे NT, we have to make words ending with NT. First word is rant. Pant is already done for you. Aunt, point, pint. Second letters are N. We will make words plan, clan, pan. Then is already done. Fan. Third word is one. Clone, drone. Phone is already done. Prawn, crone. Fourth is at, flat is already written. Mat, rat, fat, sat. Fifth is ark, arc, lark, bark, dark, shark, and stork is already written. Now our next exercise question is, yes, that is a storyline about the elephant. Use these words to complete the story. We have given some words water, spray, saggy, cool, small, elephant, large, weigh, ordinary, trunks. Now we will start our storyline. Elephants are very dash animals. Elephants are very large animals. They have dash skin, they have saggy skin. They have long trunks that they can use to drink water. In warm weather, they can also spray water from their trunks to cool themselves. It is difficult to weigh an elephant because it is so big. An ordinary weighing scale would be too small. So we have fill in the blanks with the right words. Now we will move to our next question. That is quick pick. You have to tell some words. You have to tell whether the statements are wrong or right according to the lesson. Our first question is true or false. The elephant was very big. That is true. The people were surprised. लोग हैरान हुए थे हाथी को देखकर. Yes, we have to put a tick. They put him on a scale. उन्होंने उसे स्केल पे रखा था. No, it was so big it could not be put on the scale. Cross. The girl had a good idea. Yes, tick. Now we will find the words which are used in the lesson. Our first word is a difficulty, that is a problem. Small town, village. For weighing, scale. Small rocks, stones. Now we have to spelling scramble. We have given some letters, jumbled letters. We have to make words with the help of them. Number 1 is elephant. Number 2 is stones. Number 3 animal. Number 4 village. Our next question is teaser time. Can you make 10 words from the word elephant? Elephant के अंदर मौजूद लेटर्स को यूज़ करते हुए हमने 10 मज़ीद वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल मेक आवर वर्ड्स. आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड पैंट इज़ रिटन ऑलरेडी. नंबर 2 इज़ length. Number 3 is hen. Number 4 aunt. Number 5 peel. Number 6 8. Number 7 pleat. Number 8 heel. Number 9 heat. Number 10 heap. So students, that was our today's lesson. Please complete your book work as I have told you. Students, now I will take permission. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.